welcome back to my channel for another CVS deals video. Thanks for joining me once again. This is the second week of this ad cycle and we have some deals we can still pick up. Scan the products in the app to see what digital coupons or CRT you have to help make them cheaper. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. The first deal I have is on Hallmark cards. They're on the deal of buy 3 get 5 back, but if you can find the 99-cent card, it will be a money maker. My store have the $2 cards, so pick up 3. All 3 will total $6. Pay that and get $5 back, making them $1 or 33 cents each. Another cheap option I found is the shoebox mini cards, priced at $1.99. Pick up 3. They will total $5.97. Pay that and get 5 back, making them 97 cents or 32 cents each. The next deal I have is spend 10 get 5 back on any BioRepublic facial mask. Pick up 2 under eye mask priced at $4.99 each and they will total $9.98. Pay that and get 5 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. My next deal is spend 8 get 3 back on Clean and Clear Acne Care. Pick up the Morning Buzz Cleanser price at $7.99. If you have percentage of CRT, you can use it with this item because it's not on sale. And check your app. We have a $2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $5.99 and you get 3 back, making it just $2.99. My next deal is spend 15 get $5 back on Colgate mouthwash or toothbrushes. I will explain this deal by itself and I'll show you how to put it together if you want to use your 10 off 25 oral care CRT. Pick up 3 mouthwash priced at $6.29 each and they will total $18.87. We have a $2 digital coupon and you can go to Colgate website and print out 2 $1 coupon. The digital coupon and the paper coupon will take off $4 and you pay $15.87, get back 5, making them just $10.87 or $3.62 each. The next Colgate deal I have, which I'm going to combine with the mouthwash to get to 25, will be the Colgate toothpaste. If you just want to do it by itself, they're on sale for $3.99 and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 stain fighter toothpaste. Both will total $7.98. Use the $2 digital coupon and a $1 coupon from Colgate.com. The 2 coupons will take off 3 and you pay $4.98 and get 4 back, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. To use the 10 off 25 oral care CRT, these are the 5 items you need and they will total $26.85. Use $2 digital Colgate coupon for the mouthwash and another $2 digital Colgate coupon for the toothpaste. And I have 3 paper coupons I got from Colgate.com and each one is $1, 2 for the mouthwash and 1 for the toothpaste. And we have the 10 off 25 oral care CRT. The 5 coupons and the CRT will take off $17 and you pay $9.85 and get 5 back for the spend 15, $4 back for buying 2 Colgate toothpaste. That will end up making these 5 just 85 cents or 17 cents each. The second option I have for the 10 off 25 oral care CRT is to pick up 2 Bud Kids toothpaste on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and it's not giving back any extra care box. That means the first one will be $4.79 and the second one will be $2.40. Add 3 Colgate mouthwash priced at $6.29 each. These 5 items will total $26.06. Use the $2 digital coupon for Colgate and 2 $1 coupon from Colgate.com. 10 off 25 oral care CRT. The 3 coupons and the CRT will take off $14 and you pay $12.06. Get 5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back on each Bud Beads. That means you get back $3 from Ibotta, which will make these 5 items just $4.06 or 81 cents each. If you just want to pick up the Bud Beads by itself without adding it to this deal, they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and priced at $4.79. And with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the first one will be full price and the second one will be $2.40. Both will total $7.19. Pay that and submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back on each toothpaste. You'll get back $3, which will make both toothpaste just $4.19 or $2.10 each. And if you want to max the Ibotta offer, it's a limit of 5. Last week, I shared this deal with the Crest toothpaste, but this week I have the Oral-B toothbrushes. They are on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 Oral-B toothbrushes. Both will total $7.98. Pay that and get $4 back, making them $3.98 or $1.99 each. My next deal is spend 9 get 3 back on Aveeno Kids Face and Body Gel Cream. They are priced at $10.69. Pick up 1. We have a $2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.69 and you get 3 back, making it just $5.69. The next deal I have is on Claritin Adult Allergy Relief. They're on sale for $19.99, and when you buy 1, you get $3 back. Pick up 1. We have a $4 digital coupon that will drop it down to $15.99, and you get 3 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $5 back, making it just $10.99. The 24-ounce Claritin liquid next to the big one is on sale for $9.99, and it's not giving back any extra care box. Pick up 1. Use the $4 digital coupon. You will pay $5.99, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $4 back, making it just $1.99 only. The next deal I have is spend 15 get 5 back on Tampax or Always liners. Pick up the 40 count Tampax tampon, priced at $10.29, and the 18 count Tampax tampon, priced at $6.59. These two will total $16.88. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $14.88 and you get 5 back, making them just $9.88 or $4.94 each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get 10 back on any Nivea body wash, and I have 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 20-ounce Nivea body wash priced at $10.49 each, and they will total $20.98. Pay that and get 10 back, making them just $10.98 or $5.49 each. The second option is to pick up 2 Nivea Women Body Wash priced at $6.99 each, and 1 Men Nivea Body Wash priced at $5.99. These 3 items will total $19.97, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 20. Pay $19.97 and get 10 back, making them just $9.97 or $3.32 each. Another easy deal to pick up is the 35-ounce Ivory Body Wash. It's not giving back any extra care box, but it's on sale for $5.99. And check your app, we have a 50-cent coupon that will make it only $5.49. If you did not use your 3 off 2 Irish Spring digital coupon, it's still valid and you can do the deal this week. The first option I have is to pick up 2 soft soap body wash, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. These are priced at $7.49 each. Picking up 2, the first one will be full price and the second one will be $4.49. These 2 will total $11.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to $8.98 and you get 4 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. The second option, which is a little cheaper, is to pick up 2 soft soap priced at $6.59, and with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $3.95. These 2 will total $10.54. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to $7.54 and you get 4 back, making them just $3.54, $1.77 each. This deal got better this week, and that's the L'Oreal Elvive Shampoo Conditioner. They're on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7 and you get 3 back, making them just $4 or $2 each. My next deal is spend 10 get 4 back on any raw sugar products, and you can pick up the raw sugar conditioner priced at $11.79. Pay that and get $4 back, making it just $7.79. And if you have percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use it with this deal to make it cheaper. My next deal is buy 2 get $2 back on any adult care cleansing wipes. Pick up 2 45-count Cottonelle flushable wipes priced at $4.99 each, and they will total $9.98. Pay that and get $2 back, making them just $7.98 or $3.99 each. The next deal I have is spend 30 get $10 back, and I'll keep this deal very simple. Pick up 2 Gain detergents on sale for $14.99 each. These two will total $29.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. Use a $3 digital coupon and go to Coupon 24 app and use another $3 coupon. Both coupons will take off 6 and you pay $23.98 and get 10 back, making them just $13.98 or $6.49 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.